I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear your Spotify queue in the Spotify mobile app. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the song you're currently playing to display it on your screen. Step 2. Tap the playlist icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Your Spotify queue opens. All items that are part of the queue will have the green queue icon associated with them. This is important because this process will only remove these items from your queue and not items that are part of a playlist or album. Step 3. If you want to remove a single item from your queue, swipe from right to left across that item. That item will be removed immediately. Alternatively, if you want to remove all of the queued up items from your Spotify queue, then you'll need to tap Clear at the top of this list. All of the queued up items will be removed. And again, if you're listening to an album or playlist, those items will remain. If you have autoplay enabled, you'll still see recommended tracks. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.